Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Discord cannot create server. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up the Discord app on your device. Once you're inside the Discord app, you will have to verify your account. To verify your account, simply tap on your account at the bottom of your screen, tap on settings, tap on accounts, and then here you must verify your email. The other thing that you must do, and you must also check your account standing and make sure that your account standing is good, or else Discord does not let you create servers. Also make sure to check your server limit. Free users can join up to 100 or create 100 servers. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to the settings on your device, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on Discord, tap on storage and cache, clear cache of Discord, and try again. If that too does not work, simply head over to your app drawer, search for Discord, long press on it, uninstall it, and reinstall it from the Play Store. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.